Today we are preparing a classic cheese banitsa, one of the easiest and most delicious recipes. Ingredients: 1 pack Phyllo pastry sheets, 500 grams, 5 eggs, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon flour, 100 milliliters vegetable oil, 500 grams crumbled white cheese, 150 milliliters sparkling water, a little butter for the top. Preparation. Step by step 1. Prepare the mixture. In a bowl, I beat 4 eggs. I add the yogurt and 1 tablespoon baking soda. I mix well. I add 100 milliliters of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon flour. I whisk until a smooth, homogeneous mixture forms. 2. Assembling the phyllo layers. I place 2 phyllo sheets, brushing the second sheet with the mixture. I add 1 more phyllo sheet and sprinkle it with crumbled cheese. I repeat 2 sheets plus mixture, 1 sheet plus cheese. I continue this process until all the ingredients are used. Three. Pouring and final steps. I cut the banitsa in the baking tray. I mix 150 milliliters of sparkling water with 1 egg and pour it evenly over the top. I place small pieces of butter in a few spots on top. 4. Baking. I bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until golden and crispy. And here it is, fluffy, aromatic, and incredibly delicious banitsa. Try it and let me know how it turned out for you.